eventually. And that's not gonna happen. Hey, fuck you with your camera-ass recording shit, your red light on your camera.
You're not even making any sense.
Look at the camera.
I see the camera.
There's a fucking red light on it.
Yeah, but how much of a diss is that? Fuck you and your red light camera? Seriously. Seriously. Poor Kevin is smoking.
Any commentary?
Nothing he's gonna get smacked for.
There's something worse than that.
Ooh, look! I just noticed this. What? Lauren's in between the two of you.
That is so fucked up, man.
I'm sorry.
No, you're not.